morning. Morning, Alder Eagles. Today we have Pete the Cat Construction Destruction. Recess, Pete shouts as the bell rings. But when Pete gets outside to play, oh no, the playground is a disaster. The swings are broken, Cleo's back, the slide is rusty, and the sandbox is full of weeds. Pete makes plans for a new playground. Wow, says Principal Nancy. Can you really build that? Not by myself, says Pete. I'm going to need more help. Whatever you need, Pete, it's yours. Rumble, rumble, honk. The next day, Pete arrives at the playground before school. The construction crew is already there. He gives them the go-ahead to tear down the old playground. Can't wait till we get to do that. Creak, crash. Down goes the slide. Clink, clank, down go the swings. Bang, boom, down goes the tower. Honk, honk. A truck arrives to recycle the metal. Rumble, rumble, honk, honk. The new playground equipment has arrived. It's time to get to work. The cement mixer will pour concrete. The dump truck will bring sand and dirt. The backhoe will dig. The whole team will get the job done. Clunk, whack, thud. Building a playground is hard work. The new playground is cool, but it's not cool enough. What do you think, Pete asks, holding up his latest plans. It will be too hard to build, says one of the workers. And everything is almost finished, says another. But it will make this playground the best playground ever, Pete says. Then let's do it, the workers say. The screwdrivers twist in screws, wrenches tighten the nuts. The workers try to make everything perfect. Hooray! The playground is ready. Everyone is amazed until... Creak, creak, creak. Smash, crunch, thud. Oh no, says Principal Nancy, as the new playground crashes to the ground. The pieces are all mixed up. Everyone is disappointed, except for Pete. It's not how we planned it, Pete shouts. It's even better. This playground is filled with surprises and places to explore. The school playground is the most amazing playground ever. Sometimes you've got to dare to dream big. Have a good day.